Hello everyone, in this video I am going to solve a problem based on equivalent resistance. Here the question is, by combining the resistors in the figure shown below, find the equivalent resistance RAB. That is, we have to find the equivalent resistance in between the terminals A and B. So all we have to do is, first we have to redraw the circuit in a simplified manner. So here is the circuit. Here the 1 ohm resistance and 5 ohm resistance are in series. So we have to add this. So here the equivalent resistance here is 6 ohm. So here this become 6 ohm. As you see, the 6 ohm resistance, 4 ohm, 12 ohm are all in parallel. So 6 ohm, 12 and 4 are in parallel. If two resistors are in parallel, then the equivalent resistance is R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. Here 6 is in parallel with 4 and that is in parallel with 12 ohm. Therefore, first 6 parallel with 4 becomes 6 into 4 by 6 plus 4, that is 24 by 10, nothing but 2.4. And again this 2.4 ohm resistance, that is in parallel with 12 ohm. So 2.4 into 12 by 2.4 plus 12, that is equal to 28.8 by 14.4, and this will become 2 ohms. So here becomes 2 ohm. So here I replaced 2 ohms in place of 6 ohm, 4 ohm and 12 ohm as they are in parallel. So again this 1 ohm and this 2 ohm are in series. Therefore 1 ohm and 2 ohm are in series. Therefore equivalent resistance is equal to 1 plus 2 ohm, that is equal to 3 ohm. Here this will be replaced by 3 ohm. So again I am redrawing the circuit, and the circuit will be like this. And again here this 3 ohm and this 6 ohm and 3 ohm are in parallel. 3 ohm that is in parallel with 6 ohm and that is in parallel with 3 ohm, right? So first 3 is in parallel with 6, that is 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6, that is equal to 18 by 9, that is equal to 2 ohms. And again this 2 ohm is in parallel with 3 ohm. It will become 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3, right? 6 by 5, that is equal to 1.2 ohm. So here the circuit, I replaced 1.2 ohm resistance with 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 3 ohm as they are in parallel. So here the equivalent resistance in between the terminals A and B, as the 10 ohm and 1.2 ohm are in series, the equivalent resistance become 10 plus 1.2 ohm. It will become 11.2 ohm. The equivalent resistance in between the terminals A and B is 11.2 ohms. The R equivalent is equal to the resistance in between the terminals A and B, that is equal to 11.2 ohms. That's it. Thank you.